back, nail queens. Sorry for the... What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you looking so cute? Y'all gotta see my cat. She's looking so adorable. Hold on. Why are you looking so cute? Oh, you doing a roly-poly? Yeah. You want attention? Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put on these press-on nails from MelodySusie. They're full coverage tips with designs on them. You know, the like box ones that are more affordable than luxury press-ons. So I'm going to show you these. I think they come with 24 sizes. Actually, it doesn't even say how many tips it comes with. But yeah, it comes with a lot of tips. Not every single one fits me. So that's just one thing to keep in mind when you buy things like these, is you can't get use out of every single tip that comes in here. But they are more affordable than luxury press-on nails. So I'm going to give these a whirl and let you guys know my thoughts, okay? So getting straight into the demonstration, MelodySusie sent me 3 different press-on nail sets. So I'm only going to be using the one in the middle today because I really do like the gold that's in it. And it's giving me New Year's Eve vibes while still also being like classy with the nude color. So I'm going to open this box and see what all comes in it. When it comes to press-on kits like this, I understand that they're not all going to fit my nails perfectly. These kits usually come in standard universal sizes, and you usually have to file them down to fit. So the supplies that came with this are sticky tabs and a cuticle pusher. So I'm going to open the package and start sizing all the tips to see which ones best fit my nails. Usually the ones they have in the little display case right there, like front and center, don't usually work out, or maybe only 1 or 2 will actually work for my nails. It's funny, I really should steer away from kits like this because they usually have 2 of each size, and my index and ring fingers are all the same size. So there is one size where I need 4 of the same tip size, and that sucks for me personally, and I know that about myself, so I usually have to size up and then file it down so that I make sure it fits my nails. Another thing I have come to realize that I don't like about kits like this is there's excess sizes that I literally can't use because they don't fit me. I think the only benefit there could be to that is if I wanted to like practice some designs on top of it and I could paint right over it, or if I have like a relative or a family member who has way smaller nails than me, they could use the smaller sizes that I'm not using. So I guess technically 2 people could use this if their nail shapes and sizes were very different, and they could use the sizes that I wouldn't wear. Anyways, so sizing is going by pretty fast. It is the most tedious part, but I'm going to get straight into applying with the sticky tabs that were provided. So I'm cleaning my nails with the alcohol wipe that came in the package. I usually do this anytime I apply press-on nails, and I do think it's odd that there wasn't glue in this kit. It was just sticky tabs, because any other press-on kit that I've received and tried does come with glue. And just a little spoiler, because I'm doing a voiceover, those tabs did not last long at all. Like, they were all the nails were off by the end of the evening. I think when they were exposed to water, it just did not do them well. But I do think that the designs were really cute, despite them not lasting long. If you are someone who wants them to last very long, I recommend using glue with your tabs or just glue. I do have a video where I show how I use tabs and sticky glue together at the same time, so I get longer wear than I would with just the sticky tabs, but it's easier removal than if I was just wearing glue. So I'm just trying to get all of the plastic off of the sticky tab, the little film that covers it. I did find that was like a little difficult to take off. It doesn't come off as easily as the Painted Desert sticky tabs do. The film on their sticky tabs comes off like perfectly. It's wonderful. So my thumb is already applied and pressed on. It feels pretty strong, like when I wiggle it, it doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. But I do think like with exposure to water, it just doesn't last long at all. And here you can see me struggling to get the film off of the sticky tab. It is coming off in pieces instead of one perfect piece. So if you don't like dealing with this, I would advise to use sticky tabs of your own that you have that you do like, or just skip this and go straight to nail glue. So I press and hold for a few seconds just to make sure the sticky tab adheres really well to the top of the tip. I will say I don't like the curve that are on these tips. They remind me of some tips I tried earlier, like in the summertime. It's just like the curve, it just throws me off. I don't like mine to curve the way these do. They're not the worst. I have tried worse tips where the curve is more like drastic and just like, to me personally, it's just not my preference. I don't like them. I like them to come out straight the way like my jelly tips do. Anyways, so I'm just going to continue applying this and I'll be right back as you can see me struggle getting off the little piece of plastic. Okay, so I'm back because I'm almost done applying these press-on nails. I just got one more nail to apply. All in all, I do think like the quality is decent. It's good. The design is nice. They're not super durable. They do bend. I think I showed that a little bit earlier, how easy they are to bend. I didn't like the sticky tabs, but I do think they're good like when you're in a pinch for you need some nails and you just need to throw them on and walk out the door. I just wouldn't recommend the sticky tabs. Don't mind my little marks. I do embroidery needle art and I like nicked myself with my needle. So I'm going to take the little file that came in here and just file off the little tippy tabs at the top just so that it just looks more natural. Alright, so that was the end of the application and you guys kind of heard a little bit about my thoughts on it and everything. I am going to continue wearing them throughout the day. Since I applied them with sticky tabs, I don't really have hope for them being like long lasting. Since it is the holiday season and I own a press-on nail business, it is a little difficult for me to wear things with glue on them for like 2 weeks when I have other obligations to do. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do like the test of time, because I do like wash my hands a lot, dishes, you name it, stuff like that. But I do think this set would have been really cute for like Valentine's Day, New Year's Eve, stuff like that. This one I'm in love with. I can't wait to try these out. I also think these are great for people who are in like a pinch and they don't have time to do their nails, or if you're a content creator in any niche and either your face or your hands are showing in your content, in your videos, I think wearing press-on nails like this are great. They're affordable. You can just switch them in and out and wear something like change it up in your videos. So I think that's a cool thing to do as a content creator, is always have your nails done, look polished and perfect. So these are useful for that in my opinion. Yeah. You don't say. You don't say, Mama. That is one poofy tail, girl. One poofy tail. Yeah.